Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, in the previous episode you saw me doing some work on SID, but the main thing is what you're all wanting to see is how good is the repair. So a few days have passed and lots of work has happened on SID. We haven't managed to get everything caught on camera, but the boot is off at the minute. We decided to strip that back to bare metal and get that repainted. We have a tiny bit of blistering popping up here and there, so I wanted to get that sorted out. But the main thing is what you're all wanting to see is how good is the repair. There we go, guys. So it's all come out nice, as you can see, all nice and straight. The door shuts all good as well, and Chris has also managed to sort out the door. We literally have days to go to get this sorted out. We've pushed the boat out a little bit further. I had some little defects in the bumpers as well. I wanted to get those sorted out, so we pulled that off. But we have no wheels on here at the minute. So Heritage have actually supplied us with some wheels. If you want to see what they are, come to the Volksworld show, we'll show you. But they need to be painted as well, so that needs to happen. So I'll hand this over to Chris now and he'll get this all primed and ready to go, and I'll jump back on and show you before we go into paint. There we have it. Chris has masked everything up now. Just going to do a little bit of soft edging around the edge, and we will get SID painted again. Hopefully it'll be fairly straight. Again, we're on a time crunch. We need to get him done and ready for the show. We've got another Mark 1 Golf to get painted as well, so yeah, busy boys. But yeah, you can see it's all good. Let's get it done. There we have it. Chris has worked his magic. No more hole, no more dent, but no time to waste. We need to get the wheels back on, the door back on, and get it out the booth. Let's do this. No rest for the wicked. Chris has smashed out the paint on the white wheels, and we have the bumpers all sorted out as well. Painted both sides. So, up along, we get these fitted. So that's the bumpers back on. We were planning to do something with the headlights, but that hasn't quite worked out. Maybe next time. Anyway, let's get the rest of the interior back in, and I'll show you the side, how that looks. Back bumpers back on as well. Tailgate's going on. Interior's all going back in. It's all starting to look like SID again. Look at those door gaps. I don't want to get the wheels in the shop there. Something we've got special for the show only, but I just wanted to show you that. That's looking really nice again, and this is the side that got completely sideswiped. So in a short amount of time we've managed to pull off that and make it look pretty damn good again. Well done, Chris. I tell you what, it doesn't get much better than that either. Really pleased. All the inside that door is done. All inside the door shut is done. It looks nice and crisp. Check out that interior. It's pretty damn cool inside. There you go. And this is all looking nice and straight and clean. You wouldn't believe, just a few days ago there was a great big hole in this section here. Couldn't resist a little sneak peek. He has some sign writing going on here. There's also a new steering wheel and maybe some new rims. Come check him out at the show, guys. So yes, we're on the final stages prepping for the Volksworld show. Just pulled my camper van out, so I'll be staying there for the whole weekend in this. And we have the other vehicles all in their final stages now. So the Beetle is all done. That will be on the buyer's guide stand. So come and take a look at that. Pretty sweet ride. That's got air suspension on the front as well, so we'll probably drop that down low. We've got the bay window Brian's working on at the minute. We're just getting some last bits and pieces done that. Unfortunately, we won't have the full camper van interior in there in time. It hasn't arrived, but everything else will be done as much as we can get done. And then over here, I don't want to show you too much, but Sid the Kid is done. And if you want to see him, pop along to the Volksworld show, and yeah, he'll be on display. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps us massively.